Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Vi4. Mammoth screen of 7.2 inches, flex design, massive 12GB RAM, stunning cameras on both sides, powerful battery with 25 watts fast charging and wireless charging, Dolby Atmos speakers. Beware of non-expandable storage. Verdict: Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is your best friend, in all aspects. Whether you are seeking entertainment or is planning the rest of the day, the all-new Fold has got you covered in all possible ways. Phantom Black, Silver and Green are the colors made available for you to choose from. Unique foldable venture by Samsung. Display and camera. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 flaunts a massive 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED screen having a high refresh rate of 120 Hz. The bezel-less punch-hole screen of the device comes loaded with a pixel density of 372p and a resolution of 1768 by 2208 pixels. The smartphone features a decent triple camera layout on its backside comprising a 12MP f/1.8 wide-angle primary shooter, a 12MP f/2.4 telephoto lens accompanied by another 12MP f/2.2 ultra-wide-angle camera. On the front, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 flaunts a dual camera setup, comprising a 10MP f/2.2 wide-angle primary lens teamed with another 4MP f/1.8 wide-angle selfie shooter, which can capture amazing self-portraits. Configuration and battery. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 comes loaded with 12GB RAM accompanied by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset. An octa-core Kryo 680 single-core 2.84 GHz, tri-core 2.42 GHz and quad-core 1.8 GHz processor layout teamed with an Adreno 660 GPU, ensures seamless performance. The smartphone derives its operating energy from a 4,400 mAh polymer type cell. The non-replaceable battery is benefited with 25 watts fast charging, wireless charging ability. Storage and connectivity. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is packed with 256GB non-expandable storage space. It supports a wide variety of connectivity options like NFC, USB Type-C, a GPS and GLONASS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth V5.1, mobile hotspot besides 5G and 4G VoLTE connections. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 price is expected to be 149,999 rupees. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 expected to be launched on September 10, 2021. This is 12GB RAM, 256GB internal storage base variant of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 which is expected to available in Phantom Black, Phantom Silver, Phantom Green color. For more updates subscribe to Tech News and share this video.